Today, I'll show you how to connect WordPress to N8N for seamless workflow automation. Start by creating new credentials in N8N. Select WordPress as the credential type. Then choose Basic Auth for authentication. Enter your WordPress URL and username. Next, generate an application password in your WordPress admin panel under Users, then your profile. Give it a name like N8N integration and copy the password safely. It won't be shown again. If your WordPress site uses a self-signed SSL certificate, enable the option in N8N to ignore SSL verification issues. Finally, save your credentials. With that, your WordPress site is securely connected to N8N and you're ready to automate posts, pages, and other workflows effortlessly.